Hi my beautiful people, I hope everyone is safe and well. If you're new here, my name is Shanti and in today's video I will be unboxing the Look Fantastic beauty box for April, so stay tuned. Apologies because it is at the end of the month and I'm only giving you the video today. So this is my second time recording this because we had some technical difficulties and also I was redoing my room. I hope you like the new setup and the new background, and this is only one part of my room. I tried to do some time lapses of redoing my bedroom, and if they look okay I will try and edit and put it up for you all to see. If not, then you're just gonna have to keep on guessing. So as you can see, my collection is growing for the Look Fantastic boxes and it's gonna be stacked up even higher because I've got it for up until December, I think. And on my right, you can see my new plant, which is the Peace Lily. I know I did an unboxing for my umbrella plant, which I will leave the link up there if you want to have a look. But I will try to do another video with all the other addition of plants and flowers. So this is my newbie, my little Zen piece. So I hope you like it. Look Fantastic does a monthly beauty box which you can carry on for 3 months, 6 months and 12 months. I will leave all the details down below. So I'm going to get straight into the video. So wherever you're watching this, on your sofa, on the bed, table, under the table, who knows, but I hope you enjoy it. So let's get unboxing. This is the April edition for the Look Fantastic beauty box. I absolutely adore the colour, really nice and bright, perfect for spring. So I'm gonna open the box. Obviously this is my second time recording it, so I've actually opened the packaging. So as always, the quote reads, "Let your dreams blossom." So yeah, front of the box. I'm just going to prop it up here. Hopefully it doesn't fall. So this is what it looks like inside the tissue, and it reveals the Look Fantastic magazine edit. So we're on issue number 4 right now. And before I get into the magazine, I'm just going to quickly give you a sneak peek of what's inside. So there obviously something had to fall, right? Right, so that's the sneak peek. I'm not going to tip it anymore because I'll probably drop it. But yeah, so this is this month's beauty box edit, and it says it's time to blossom. Behind the theme, blossom. Look Fantastic's Blossom Edition beauty box was created with a deeper meaning at its heart. Cherry blossom, though it goes without saying what a beautiful flower it is hugely symbolic. In Japan, especially cherry blossoms, known as sakura, are incredibly special for the country and its people, representing a time of renewal and rebirth. Cherry blossoms actually have a very quick lifespan, approximately 2 weeks, but what they leave behind is an indefinite message. Life is short, and it's important in the time that we have to pay attention to the things around us. From family to friends, wider life experiences to more personal developments. Live in the present and relish the life you lead. So I always say, life is too short. Tomorrow is never guaranteed. So live life to the fullest. So I tried to give you a sneak peek and obviously one sneak down on the floor. But anyway, this is what's in the box. And as usual, I'm going to try and find what we've got coming up in the next box. Oh, there we are. So this is what's coming up in next month's beauty box. So they provide a sneak peek, and we've got the Esper 24-hour replenishing eye moisturizer, which is worth £18.66. Now, we've been getting a lot of eye products lately. I think I'm going to need more eyes to put all of these things on. But anyway, either way, it's 7 mils and it's a nice size for you to try and see if you like it. So now what I'm going to do is pull out things from the box. So in no particular order, the first thing that I'm going to pull out is this. So here we have the
Be Your Incredible Self with Nails Inc London Nail Polish, and this is in the shade Mayfair Lane. This natural pale pink colour is shiny and highly pigmented, perfect for creating a wide range of nail looks.
So next I'm going to pull out is this was in the sneak peek, if you remember, for last month's beauty box.
We've got the Avant Pink Orchid Hyaluronic Glycerin White Peony Restoring Overnight Serum. And this is a overnight facial serum that helps hydrate the skin and combat signs of stress and fatigue, formulated to support your skin when it's most susceptible to treatment. Pink Orchid is an ingredient that improves skin elasticity and plumps out fine lines and wrinkles for a more youthful appearance with regular use.
So next we have some fake eyelashes. I really don't do fake eyelashes, but yeah, again, these little things are great for regifting. So
then we've got the Eylure London 3/4 length eyelashes. So this is said to be lightweight lashes to give your makeup look a bit of added oomph, with a winged shape to elongate the eyes, designed to give fullness while still looking delicate. This is quick to apply and gentle to remove, with glue included for easy use.
So we've got like 3 products left. So the next one I'm going to pull out is this.
Next, we've got the Ren Clean Skincare Evercalm Global Protection Day Cream. And this is a daily moisturizer enriched with a powerful blend of antioxidants and soothing seed oils to calm and nourish your skin. This is designed to protect your skin against dehydration and external aggressors to tackle signs of premature aging.
So next we have this.
Next, we've got the Glove Scrubbex, and this is the exfoliating accessory for soft and kissable lips. This is a tool designed to both exfoliate and treat cracked, chapped lips and encourage blood circulation for a fuller pout. So you would basically dampen the Scrubbex with water and gently scrub your lips. And it says to avoid too much pressure. Follow with your favorite lip balm for a juicy, kissable lips.
So these little things that come in the beauty boxes are absolutely amazing. Do you know why? It's because I wouldn't actually go out and buy this. So having something like this in beauty boxes is actually really good, because everyone needs a nice lip scrub, you know, for soft, smooth lips. So the last product that we've got in our beauty box is, look, we have a sheet mask.
So next we've got the Beauty Pro Rose Infused Sheet Mask, and basically this is a botanical based face mask formulated to heal and soothe, part of Beauty Pro's plant-based range filled with superfood ingredients that act as anti-inflammatories to minimize redness, anti-aging, and great for targeting oily, blemished skin, and also fully biodegradable.
So like most boxes, this month's box does have a variation. So if you have got this, then you've got this. Does that make sense? I don't know why I said that. Okay, right. If you don't have this, then you'll have the other variation, which is the Bellapierre Cosmetic Eyeshadow. Hopefully you can see that here. Now, if it was up to me, I would definitely pick the eyeshadow. Come on, people. It's bronze. So that brings us to the end of the box. Now, I hope you've enjoyed this. I really do like this box. However, apart from the eyelashes, everything is absolutely amazing. So my top 3 favorites from the box would definitely be the lip scrub, and then the nail polish, and then the Avant Pink Orchid. I'm actually really pleased with this month's box and I'm very happy. So let me know in the comments down below what you think of this month's box. So that's it. I hope you've enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Go over there, watch my other videos. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe and share with your friends and family and share the love. So that's it for me. So I will see you in the next video. So until then, stay safe and take care and see you next time. Bye.